Where are we going, babe?
We're going to the beach.
Which beach?
Ainsworth Beach.
Where's that?
Southport, I think.
Have you been to this beach before?
I haven't.
Yeah.
It's the first time to go to this beach.
I've not been to this beach before either.
And I'm excited to go.
But it's the first beach trip of 2025, right?
Yeah, it's the first one. Not been before.
Ooh, I zoomed in, did it?
So I don't know.
See your tattoo? Yeah.
I've got sun cream on it.
But it's such a beautiful day. It's Easter Sunday. And the sun's out.
A lot of people walking on that.
Bums out. Wow, it's so beautiful. Yeah, it is, isn't it?
You just find the camera on me now.
But it's all the little lambs are out as well. Windmills.
Maybe this side or that side.
I think over towards the right.
Isn't that where the sun is setting?
On that side.
Looks a bit wet.
Oh. Looks all a bit wet. The sand dunes are dry though. If you wanted to sit on those.
Where?
And that grassy bit over there.
I don't want to sit on the grass. I want to sit on the sand.
I think there's some dry bit in the middle.
Okay.
Besides, we've got our
That's mad.
we've got our hot donuts.
We have.
Seaside donuts. You want a kite, don't you?
I do really, yeah. Look at that kite over there. That's why they're flying the kites.
It's a beautiful day. I think there's some dry bit in the middle.
Okay. She thinks she's not on the vlog, so
You have to turn it this way, the camera. But you have to
Wrong way.
restart it. Perhaps it on YouTube.
doesn't want to be cropped. So here she is opening her sugar donuts. We got 6 fresh sugar donuts.
You can only get these by the seaside,
Only
right?
by the seaside. This view is what we're looking at. It's quite quiet on this. There's horses over there in the distance.
So good, babe.
It's so quiet. She's really enjoying her donuts right now, aren't you?
Fresh. Family made them. Did you hear
She
that?
heard that the horse go.
I want to go on a horse. Some flies. You want my donut? Can you see them all? They're all
Oh my
gathering
god!
on my donut.
There's these little flies. Jay's holding the clutch in that bag. So no one getting. There's these little flies flying around us, but they've gone now.
No, they're there.
All right, they're over there. I don't think you can see them on the camera, but they're.
Sandflies, whatever you want to call them.
They've gone now.
What do you think of the donuts?
Over.
Fresh. Aren't they good?
The light is a bit cold, but it's not too cold.
Yeah.
Sun is on us.
That's why I brought the jumpers, just in case. I might go down there later just to look at the ocean. You coming with me? Yeah.
Later.
In like an hour or something. Oh, beautiful. I've never been to this Ainsdale beach before. It's a good Easter Sunday. We move closer to the ocean, which is majestically going in. It's so beautiful. It's beautiful.
You're filming getting in the water. Is it cold? Is it not? Oh, you're lying to me. Oh, you're lying to me. You are lying to me. Is it cold? Not really. Oh, oh. It's cold. I like it though. Oh, oh.
I feel you going.
I'm not going all the way in.
Just get your ankles in. so beautiful.
Pat it down. There you go. And then pat it down. There you go. That should do. So it's level now.
Yeah.
And we turn it over. Need a nice.
See, when I turn it over, that's where it goes wrong,
So we
because
place it here.
Okay.
Place it.
some of it comes out and some of it doesn't.
Yeah, exactly. I'm going to show you. I just want to cover the sun that I use. There you go. Right there?
Yeah.
And then you put it down. So you pat it down, yeah, like that.
Okay. I'm excited for this reveal.
Tap the edges. The edges are the most important, remember. Are you there?
Yeah.
And then take it
Oh
out.
yeah, that's
Look,
a good
the
one.
sand is still stuck in the middle of this corner.
Well, you did better than mine before.
Yeah.
That's good.
Well, I want the edges to try again until it's perfect.
Okay.
Look at me. I need a picture. Great.
You got the perfect
I told you.
perfect sandcastle because you tapped it with the sandal. I can hear a drill above my head. Go.
Excuse me.
Wait, I'm going to decorate it for you.
Yeah.
Right, you ready to do your cartwheel? You prepping?
I'm prepping.
Last time you did this, you got a sore back, right?
I fucking got sore. Everything. My whole body was fucking aching.
But you stretched this time.
I did stretch for 10 minutes, right?
Yeah.
Think I'll be okay?
We'll only know tomorrow, won't we?
Do I need to straighten my legs up? You tell me if I do.
Yeah? You need to straighten them a bit.
My leg?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't know where to do it because I don't want the shells to get me. Okay, here. To here.
Okay.
You ready?
Yeah. That's better. I think you can get them straighter though.
Can I?
Yeah.
Okay.
Improvement. It's the third time lucky.
You ready?
Woo.
Better?
Better?
Straighter?
I've seen better cartwheels by yourself.
Huh?
I've seen you do better.
Can't keep my
That
legs
was bent again, that one.
Can't keep my legs straight. How can I do it? Try again.
Pretend you your legs are like shooting towards the stars. Just straighten them out. Ooh.
No?
I think like your second and third one were the best.
Can we try again?
Yeah.
Any good?
It's a good cartwheel, babe.
Hey?
Good cartwheel.
Are you saying that just because you're saying it?
Well, it's better than I can do.
Are you ready? I really want to try it, babe. Is it any good? No? Again? Okay. We'll try
Why don't you try the other way?
this way. I don't
Yeah.
really do it that way.
Oh, do you not? Okay.
You do it sideways, it's usually this way. That way is a bit hard for me.
Alright.
Use the dominant hand to lay down. You ready? You ready?
Yeah?
I
Woo!
do it. I've got to keep my
I think you've got to keep your back straight, actually.
my back.
Yeah. I think that's why your legs keep bending, is because your back isn't straight. Yeah, because you're tipping over a bit.
No.
Oh, there's a boat over there. Ooh, I wish I was on that boat.
How can I do it? You ready?
Yeah?
It's not doing
Oh,
it.
that looked like you hurt your back.
No, I didn't hurt my back then. In the first and second attempt, alright.
Yeah.
Can we see?
Yeah. Oh, okay, babe. You can see.
That's our face. No.
Got it.
Okay. You filming?
Yeah.
I don't even know how to do this. I'm too scared.
Oh my god, don't. I'm too scared. You're not going to hurt yourself. You can do it. Come on.
I'm scared, babe. You scared me. You can try it. It's a baby one, isn't it?
Pardon?
It's a baby one.
Yeah.
You gonna try again?
Okay.
I think you can do it. You need to just put your hands on the ground and let your legs swing. No, just let your body drop from one side to the other. Just put your hand down, yeah, and then.
It's hard.
You giving up?
Yeah. Those birds are so cute.
Right.
Yeah, thanks for cleaning the sand off. Look at this big massive swan. It's not scared of you.
You zoom out. I mean, you look up a bit just so I can see you. Oh, you're majestic. Excuse me, Mrs. Swan. Or Mr. Swan.
It could be a missus.
Yeah. Hiya.
Careful, I think it might get you.
No.
It's massive. I've never been this close to a swan.
You're alright.
It's so big.
That's majestic. They'll be like, careful, might get you. Go on then.
What's it? It's got an itch.
Got an itch. Excuse me. Swan here.
Its feet are really big.
Wow. You're majestic.
Why is its head yellow?
Why is its head yellow?
Yeah, has it got pee on it?
Yeah, you can shock it. Look at the photo on that. You see it? Look at the details. Let's flash my phone.
Yeah, it's really nice. It's not scared of us at all.
You're not scared of us, are you? You're not scared of us?
Usually they hiss and
I've
stuff.
never been up to a swan this close.
Me
Have
neither.
you? It's mad. Oh, Mr. Swanee. Hello. Can I take a photo of you? Don't mind, do you?
Got pictures of a lot of birds today.
Just for photo purposes, this is.
I've been on bird watching today with the seagull and the swans and the ducks,
Just for
pigeons,
purposes, really.
magpies, seen everything today.
Yeah, well, just for photo purposes, can I just take a photo of you?
She wants a photo pose. No. Look
Excuse
up.
me, it's up, excuse me.
You got
Excuse me, Mrs. Swan.
Excuse me.
Excuse me, Mr. or Mrs. Swan.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh, yeah.
Work the camera. Just get it, Lucy. There you go.
Work the camera. Some other good photos on here.
So what is this like? From that little river connected to the ocean, is it?
I think so.
There's the pigeon over there. Go on.
No, I'm interested about the
Oh,
picture.
that's it. You do you. You're beautiful too.
You're beautiful too.
Wow, I'm not zooming into its feet. You can see all its little webby webs. Oh, it's got a claw there. It looks like a dinosaur. Let's see if I can find its face and zoom in.
Wow.
Oh,
See the hair's like it's lead.
look, I'm like David Attenborough here, look.
Look at that pose. And that in it, I can get so close up to a bloody. Wow, you're so beautiful. Would you zoom in on you? Oh yeah, go on. Oh yeah. What's this move called? What's this move called? Is it called drinking up? Oh, you got a bit of fluff in your mouth there. Coming over.
We've been like attracting birds all day.
They just came up off the land, didn't they? some grass here. Here's some. Here's some.
Mia.
Yeah.
We only came to the beach in the first place because that seagull came up to us.
That looks quite cute, isn't it?
That one's the boy one, isn't it?
But off the water,
I've never been this close to wild ducks before.
Hey, come over here. Come over here. Come over here.
Come here, duck duck.
Yeah, come here. There's some grass over here. Oh, you're so cute. Hiya. Oh my god, I've never gone out this wild to our duck. Usually they don't come up to us, do they?
No, they usually run away.
I know. Wow. They're so beautiful. Wow. Maybe you came up so close.
You're literally so close to this duck.
Yeah, so close. Wow.
They're like so tame.
You're majestic. Thanks for coming up to us.